With regards to dental fillings, there are many different kinds of fillings to choose from, with each having its specific characteristics and functions. Learning the difference among these choices can assist you in making a more informed choice about the type of filling best suits your particular dental requirements. In this instructional video, we'll explore the most commonly used types of dental fillings as well as the applications they have. 1. Amalgam fillings. Amalgam fillings, also known as silver fillings, are considered to be one of the oldest and often used forms that are dental fillings. The fillings comprise an amalgam of different metals, which include silver, tin, mercury, and copper. Although there is controversy over the mercury used for dental fillings, amalgam fillings have been deemed as safe and reliable by many dental practitioners. Amalgam fillings have a reputation for their long-lasting durability and endurance. They are a preferred option to fill cavities that are located in the back teeth, as chewing force is the most intense. Their silver hue is a disadvantage for certain patients since they're visible more as compared to other kinds of fillings. 2. Composite fillings. Fillings made of composite, often referred to as tooth-colored fillings, are comprised of resin and glass, or quartz videos. The fillings are appreciated due to their attractiveness because they are customized to match the shade of your natural teeth, which makes them nearly unnoticeable. The composite fillings aren't more durable than amalgam fillings, and so are usually used to fill gaps in front teeth and other regions which do not have to endure large forces of chewing. The fillings also tend to be safer than amalgam fillings because they need less of the tooth's natural structure for placement. 3. Gold fillings. Gold fillings, sometimes referred to as omlays or inlays, are a traditional solution for filling in cavities. The fillings comprise the combination of gold with different metals. They are known for their long-lasting durability and quality. Gold fillings are commonly utilized in parts of the mouth which are particularly prone to force of chewing because they stand up to the stress superiorly to other fillings. Gold fillings can be extremely sturdy. They're more costly than other types of fillings. They also require multiple visits to the dentist in order to get placing. Furthermore, their gold-colored appearance is a disadvantage for patients who would prefer for a more natural-looking filling. 4. Ceramic fillings. Ceramic fillings, also referred to as porcelain fillings, are a well-known option for filling in tooth cavities that are present in front teeth. The fillings are created by mixing porcelain as well as other components. They are well known by their attractiveness and long-lasting. The color of ceramic fillings is matched to the hue of natural teeth. They are practically unnoticeable. Ceramic fillings are extremely resistant to stains, and where they are a durable alternative for filling out cavities in the teeth in front. They are more costly in comparison to other kinds of fillings. They are also more susceptible to chipping and cracking more than other types of material. 5. Resin fillings. Resin fillings are also referred to as glass ionomer or fillings, are an emergence within the realm in dental fillings. The fillings consist of a mix of resin and videos made of acrylic or glass and have been praised for their ability to release fluoride. This could help to prevent the development of further decay of the teeth around them. Resin fillings are ideal to fill in cavities on places of the mouth which aren't subject to strong chewing because they're not as long-lasting than other kinds of fillings. Their ability to release fluoride is an excellent choice for kids as well as people at risk of dental decay. There are many different kinds of dental fillings that are available, and each one has its specific characteristics and functions. What type of filling works best for you is based on a number of aspects, including where the cavity is located along with your budget as well as the aesthetic preferences you have. If you talk about the options with your dentist, you'll be able to choose the right form of filling that meets your particular dental requirements.